Welcome back to SUV Vault. In today's video, we're uncovering the 11 worst luxury SUV of 2025 that you should avoid at all costs. From tech nightmares to reliability disasters, these high-end SUV will cost you more than just money. Stick around for number 1, it's a shocker. At number 11, the BMW X6. While its coupe-like design grabs attention, the X6 is plagued by a frustrating iDrive 8 system that frequently crashes. Its stiff suspension means you'll feel every bump, detracting from the luxury driving experience. Starting at $73,000, you're paying more for the looks than the reliability. Number 10 is the Range Rover Evoque. Despite its sleek exterior, this SUV falls short in terms of space and reliability. The transmission has a high failure rate, and the cramped interior makes long drives uncomfortable. Starting at $55,000, it's an expensive ride for so many compromises. Next is the Audi Q5, a popular option that's losing its shine. Owners have reported turbocharger issues that severely impact performance, alongside frequent electrical malfunctions that make this luxury SUV less appealing over time. Priced around $56,000, it lacks the reliability you expect from Audi. At number 8, the Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. With a massive V8 engine, you'd expect power, but its terrible fuel economy and off-road performance disappoint. Starting at $91,000, it's a gas guzzler that doesn't perform as advertised off-road. Number 7 is the Mercedes-Benz GLE 450. While it looks elegant, this SUV suffers from engine reliability problems and an infotainment system that is known to malfunction. Priced at $68,000, the costly repairs make ownership a headache. Number 6 is the Cadillac XT6. Despite Cadillac's luxury reputation, the XT6 has been criticized for its poor quality interior materials and inconsistent transmission. Starting at $54,000, it doesn't hold up to luxury SUV standards. At number 5 is the Tesla Model X. This all-electric SUV may have futuristic tech, but it's plagued by quality control issues, from panel gaps to malfunctioning Falcon Wing doors. Starting at $120,000, it's a steep price for so many fit and finish issues. Coming in at number 4, the Lincoln Aviator. While it offers plenty of space, its hybrid system has been a headache for many, with battery issues and sluggish performance in electric mode. At $68,000, the unreliability makes it hard to recommend. Number 3 is the Infiniti QX60. Often criticized for its underpowered V6 engine and outdated CVT transmission. Though the design is sleek, the driving experience is subpar, especially at its starting price of $58,000. At number 2, the Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Known for its Italian flair, the Stelvio's beauty hides serious reliability issues. Many owners report frequent electrical problems and a clunky transmission. Starting at $51,000, it's hard to justify with these frequent problems. And finally, the worst luxury SUV of 2025, the Cadillac Escalade. With a reputation for luxury, the Escalade falls short with transmission failures, frequent electronic malfunctions, and poor fuel economy. Starting at $85,000, the Escalade might look imposing, but it's riddled with problems that will empty your wallet. That's our list of the 11 worst luxury SUVs of 2025. These vehicles may look good on the outside, but under the surface, they come with a host of problems. If you're planning to buy a luxury SUV, make sure to check out our other videos to find the models that are actually worth your money. If you've enjoyed this breakdown of luxury letdowns, be sure to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to SUV Vault and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. Drop a comment below and let us know which one of these luxury SUVs surprised you the most. Until next time, remember to drive smart, not expensive, See you on the road.